Welcome to the Rome Assembly Walkthrough by Aero Systems West. Part 1, Frame Kit. Next, we'll assemble the GNSS module and mast. Go ahead and move the frame out of the way and unbox the HERE 3 GNSS unit. Use the included set screw on the GNSS puck, along with the provided Allen key. Do not use the separate mounting hardware included in the GNSS package for attaching the mast to the drone. Instead, use the hardware from Bag E. Start by removing the single set screw from the GNSS puck. We'll be using this same screw to secure the mast. To install the mast, begin by feeding the cable through the mast. A helpful trick here is to fold one side of the connector back slightly. This makes it easier to guide the cable through the mast opening. Once the cable is through, align the mast with the GNSS puck. Apply a small amount of thread locker to the set screw. Then install the set screw through the mast and into the GNSS puck and tighten it using the provided Allen key. Now install the GNSS module at the north end of the drone. Secure it using 3 screws from hardware Bag E, applying a small amount of thread locker to each. Use a 2.5 mm hex driver. Once mounted, flip the frame over, supporting the carrier board. Be careful not to rest the weight of the drone on the GNSS mast. Please note that your GNSS has 2 connectors, one with an orange cable and one with a blue cable. The blue cable is not used for roam and can be left unplugged. The orange cable should be connected to the port labeled GPS on the carrier board. Next, install the cable tie mount from hardware Bag K into the carrier board where shown. The mount simply pops into place. Then use a cable tie from Bag J to secure the GNSS cable and provide strain relief. Next, we're moving on to Step 10.